Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to teach you guys how to use a plastic plier, a plastic press button plier. As you can see, this is the tools there. It comes with the full set, and this is also the button set. So now we're going to work on the button set. So you have pick out two sets of buttons. Use it over here. Come over here, Hans. Use it over here. So now we're going to be closing this button since you don't need it for now. We already got so much you need from it. Moving the camera. So now, next you're going to do, don't zoom, bring camera closer. You need to open the set now. So these are the sets coming. This is a plier, and this is the extra set in case this one got spoiled. But this is the extra set here for the plastic plier. Don't forget to keep this one side since you don't have a use for it now. And this is the nut. Use this nut in like reducing the pressure and increasing the pressure. And also for you also is inserting the machine if you want to change the mouth of this. So now this also this extra one in case this one got weak, so it lasts for a very long time. So now we're going to be starting with our opener, just using opening the hole of the fabric. Come closer. So now we're going to be making a hole here. As you can see, I've opened a hole. We get one of these. We insert it through the hole. We insert it through the hole. You can see it's coming out through here. Then we get this particular side. We get it and we insert it inside the hole. It looks like this. Then now we get our machine. Just place and apply pressure. I've gotten this particular side. So now you're going to do the same to this other side. And we're going to measure out the particular piece you're going to be working it with. So now this is where we're going to be working it with. Do the same here. We get our fabric opener. Then we pierce. After piercing, we get one part of this. Then we insert. Insert it through the hole. When we start it, we get the other part. Apply pressure. Then we use the machine now. This black side. Yeah, put it here. And apply pressure. So let's test it out. As you can see, I've gotten the button. Very powerful, very neat. So now we're going to be doing the same to this set over here. We're going to do the same to the shape over here. We're going to be using it over here. We get our fabric opener. Now to make it easier, we don't do it once. We open these two at once, so we don't need to do it. You set it where we apply pressure. Very intense. Then we get to do it to the other side also. Put it in the other side here. Hope this. So if you enjoyed the video, follow, like, share,
and then follow our channel for more, our Facebook channel, our Instagram channel at Bukason Tailoring Store. Thank you.